guys, I got my box of Premier in. So, I'm gonna do it. Hopefully we'll get something nice. Been on a Premier streak. Doing well. Check out, things just too thick. Ooh, player I like on the back. I don't see a bat barrel or anything, but Jeff Kent base to 99. Vladimir Valentin rookie auto to 75. It's one of the low numbered ones. Ooh, nice. Mike Schmidt, triple jersey. Number to 50. The patch is next. Ooh, it's numbered to 10. Wow. That's a sick patch. Look at the Roy Oswald. Roy Oswald, Jake Peavy, dual patch. Then the manufactured is a Trevor Hoffman, number to 50. Then a Andrew Miller auto to 25. And the last one is a, I already saw this one, Hamels Casimir dual auto, number to 35. So, not too bad. But, alright, that's all.